What's your name, sir?
William.
William.
Yeah.
Captain William. Ramming speed. Captain. Ramming speed. It's 20 pesos, huh?
Oh, probably.
Yeah. There's 30 for being a good captain.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Salamat po.
Dagang salamat.
Ah,
Dagan salamat.
dagan salamat.
Ah.
Okay. So that's what I say is dagan salamat.
Dagan salamat.
Dagan salamat. That's what you say. Okay.
Anak ko. Anak ko ito.
Yeah, I came to Reggie's to have a phone screen repair. We just make sure it's all good. And did you put a glass protector?
After we completely installed,
Yeah.
is it okay?
Yeah. So it's cheaper then. So that's cheaper screen, huh?
Yeah, less 100 than the
Okay.
other one.
Okay, so he didn't have the high quality screen which he originally thought, so he's put something else on, which is fine for me because it's a second phone, so no problem. And it's 100 pesos cheaper, $3 cheaper. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one. Bye.